Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a slime. So let's get started. And first we need a clear glue, a bottle of clear glue. Yes. So here's it, or any glue actually. And next, need this Avador. Oh, wait a second. This. Yeah. And the last thing that we need is this called, I don't know how to tell you guys. Yes. And make it together, but remember, do not put too many. Let's see. After just a little if you don't want to be too hard. If it's hard, so you can add this thing. And if sticky, you can add some flour. So let me check out some flowers. So here's some flour. Okay, kind of. Oh yeah, never mind. So here's all those flowers. So actually, we don't need those flour in this video. So I'm gonna wipe it right now. Boom. Boom. Okay, so now it's clean and the last, and your slime is done. And 3, 2, 1, boom. So this is the slime. And if you don't have some colors, that's never mind. So all we need is just a color pan. So there's a color pan right here. And how to use it? So first we need a ruler. So I'm gonna take out this line first. Oh, so sticky. Okay, just wait a second. It's super sticky right now. Okay, so we need a ruler, and we're gonna spread it like this. So you guys can see there is some colors coming up. Yeah. So we're gonna keep going. Okay, I think that's enough because there's some color in here already. And just dip it here a little so it'll look like this. And mix them together. Okay, so I'm gonna hold it. Wait a second. It's kind of hard. Yeah, let's mix them together. Okay. So now it's good. It's kind of sticky, so I'm gonna add some flour. Just a little. Do not add too many. It would be so hard. Yeah. So your slime is done. If you want the color is more, if you want more color, you can add even red, anything, any color that you want. So your slime is done. So here's it, and let's try it. Okay, let me. Oh no. Okay, I just dropped something. Okay, never mind. And let's try it out right now. My hand is kind of dirty. It's so soft. And this slime is so soft. And it's not sticky if you add just a little those flour. Yeah, just a little flour. So I bought this book, so you guys can buy this thing too. Buy this book too. It's a Roblox book, and you can play many games. There's a lot of games that you can choose. Oh, okay, I'm gonna put it back. Actually, oh, oopsie. And thank you for 107 subscribers and views. So this line actually done. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, yeah, like, and share. And don't forget to follow my Instagram. It's my place. So yep, bye guys.